In life, you need food and protection. The second after food is protection. Bristol started actually in 1988, but the company, mother company, Concord Corridor Group, 1974. Even I started this before the civil defense established in UAE. When you take a challenge and when you want to start business and you have to find the capital and to find the right people, because also most important to choose the right people who will be working with you. So always my real capital now is my people, not the money.
The assets of the company are the people of the company. At the end of the day, this is engineering know-how. The most important people in this company is the people on the ground, in the workshops, bending down manufacturing for you. These are the people that truly deliver the product at the best quality. When you have people who are serious, who have the heart, who have the integrity, who have the same values as Mahmoud Awad, the shareholder, anything is possible.
Bristol invests in people before anything else. We have a great product range, but also the best products come from the best people, and the best people are ones that understand their markets, understand their customers, go back to the lab and try to understand how we can better serve our customers. And this is really what makes this company work. We have the best people in the industry working here, and I'm very proud of that fact.
So the whole business today, we have an actual empire in 2016 that was totally built on one simple thing, servicing an extinguisher. Bristol is a company that started in the UAE, works exactly the same way with the same vision of the UAE, and works and grows with that same vision. Okay, the one thing that actually matters at the end of the day is how you create a culture, okay, to sustain this kind of growth, to sustain this kind of continuity. My most important factor is that factor. I look into the culture, I look into how to develop the people and make them part of a family rather than just an employee who's coming to do a job and go home.
It takes a certain type of team effort to be able to recognize what are the current challenges in the market. You can see that in the last 2-3 years with the evolution of what's going on in the Emirates and in the GCC in general, that there's been a shift towards understanding that with the massive urbanization that's occurring, even the type of equipment that we're currently using has to be able to evolve to be able to meet the current fire challenges that are in the market.
Fire, nobody understands how it actually reacts. So every time there is a fire that happens, we get to learn from how the fire reacts. We understand the patterns, and based on this, we try to find ways of innovating and developing products to actually consume and protect the people on the property from these kind of fires.
Bristol Vehicles Manufacturing Division is specialized in engineering and manufacturing special products or bodies for all type of commercial vehicles, such as rescue vehicles, firefighting vehicles, ambulances, and special vehicles. Most of our clients are government, so any vehicles that goes for any service outside, the least we want is that to have any failure when they are on the roads, because our vehicles are meant to save life.
What makes Bristol unique, being a local player in the market, being able to manufacture a high-end quality product locally that meets international standards, made us very special. One of the important advantages of manufacturing locally is that we are able to cater to the client's requirements. Bristol VMD caters to that requirement. We understand our client. We understand that sometimes what's in a blueprint drawing is different what's manufactured in reality. And usually very flexible that way. And that also is a great advantage for the client and for the customer. In the firefighting business, you're dealing with people, humans, lives. When we build a product, when we build a vehicle, we don't compromise on the quality, we don't compromise on the service, we build the best of the best.
how we look at it, it's not about trading, it's not about simply manufacturing, it's not simply about just making an extra buck here and there. It's about providing the best possible solutions in the firefighting in the UAE and across, okay, to those people who actually require it. And I will tell you who requires it: everybody.
The managing director's advice, objectives, values is what drives Concord Cordix Group in Bristol. He's not interested in being the biggest company, but he's interested in being one of the best companies.
I started, like a one-man show, and today I have 1,500 people. And I'm really proud of that. And I'm proud of my people, my products. Even after many, many years, people will see this firefighting equipment called by Bristol, and that gave me really inside pleasure.